Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the perfect eclairs. Begin by gathering ingredients: water, butter, flour, eggs, milk, sugar, cornstarch, and chocolate. Heat water and butter until bubbling, add flour off heat, then beat in eggs one at a time for glossy dough. Pipe even logs on a tray, score if needed, and bake until hollow and golden. Cool fully before filling to keep shells crisp. Mastering chew is all about texture and timing. After cooking the flour paste, dry it briefly on low heat to remove excess moisture. Add eggs slowly and stop when the dough falls in ribbons. Overmixing ruins the rise. Use a steady wrist to pipe uniform eclair shapes about 4 inches long, leaving space between each. Bake until shells are firm, deeply golden, and hollow sounding when tapped to guarantee great results. For perfect filling, cook pastry cream until it thickens, then cool and chill before using to maintain structure. Transfer to a piping bag fitted with a small round tip and inject into the base or side of each eclair to fill evenly without splitting shells. For the glaze, melt chocolate gently and add a touch of cream for shine, or use fondant for a classic look. Assemble just before serving for best texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.